Methi is in season. We are making Tamatar Methi ki sabzi, a personal favorite. My recipe is simple but has a twist to it that everyone loves. You'll be able to enjoy this delicious vegan dish with any bread or rice. Do subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. A handful of moong dal vadi. Let's begin by frying them. You could use plain vadi or masala vadi, doesn't make a difference. Take them out. Keep them aside. 3 small or 2 large tomatoes that I have cut into medium sized pieces. 1 medium sized onion sliced. 1 heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1.5 cups of chopped fenugreek or methi leaves. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let that pop. Half a teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds. Chopped green chilies according to your taste. Add in the sliced onion. Cook this till the onions have a light color on them. Add in the tomato. Season with salt. Cook till the tomatoes start to wilt. Let's add in the ginger garlic, half a teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and cook this till the raw smell of the ginger garlic goes away. Time to add in the methi, fenugreek. Cook the leaves for a few minutes. Cover it for a couple of minutes. Check the seasoning and adjust it. That looks done to me. Crush the fried vadi. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Send me your feedback when you try it. Sprinkle the fried vadi on top. Serve this seasonal dish with bread or rice. Enjoy!